All right, let's get right to it. There's been a lot of change here over the last couple of hours in regards to our thinking of what's going on with this storm. First and foremost, those heavy bands set up earlier this evening in southeast North Dakota. Those are just now working their way up into the Northern Valley. And the Grand Forks Weather Service folks, thanks for taking a measurement in the snow. About a half of an inch there, and the snow continues to fall, but it's really just getting started. But down south, after a little bit of a break right here, a lull in Fargo, there's some serious snowflakes here heading up into southeast North Dakota, where we got lofty reports across the region. So up to the far north, very quiet. Devil's Lake Basin, very quiet. West of Jamestown, very quiet. Not the case for us. Let's start with the south. A report of 8 inches in Ellendale and near Oaks and Lemoore, 6.5 inches for Gwinner. And reports near Horace came in about 7 inches, with the Sabin area at 5. And then there's some moderate bands with significant amounts of snow on the way for the next few hours. So we're going to see some spots that will challenge needing the entire ruler to measure the snow in the morning. 10 to 12 inches will not be out of the question for a few. Up to the north, though, if you take a look at this area, no snowfall reports from many of you yet, but based on what the Weather Service is saying and radar trends, Hutch is going to estimate that we've got between a trace and 2 inches of snow there. National Weather Service upgrading it to a warning in southeast North Dakota for heavy snow. That likely is going to be the case and already is the case for Ellendale, for Lemoore County, and I do think the southern reaches of Cass and Clay County will also see some significant snow totals, but by the time this is all said and done. Current conditions as we look off to the east, we have 18 degrees as we continue a warming trend tonight. Light winds, and that is nice that we're not having to deal with blowing snow. Look at the 20s down to the east and to the south. Wahpeton, Breckenridge at the 21-degree mark. It's cold up from Devil's Lake through Cavalier and Langdon at 7 degrees. Right now, Baudette, you have 14. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast showing the northern band lifting north and this southern band continue to oscillate through. As we go beyond about 2 or 3 in the morning, things finally start to push into northwest Minnesota. There will be, plenty of snowfall up there, but we are less than 1 inch away in Fargo from breaking the all-time record for February snow, and that's going to happen as we go through the overnight hours, the way it's looking to me, very confidently so. Now, the first half of tomorrow, snow is out of here, sun west. Temperatures start out near 20 for many of us in the valley and east, and there'll be a shot at maybe a 25 to 30 degree reading as we go through the afternoon. It looks like a pretty quiet day. You better enjoy it, and hopefully you have a chance to clean up what was left behind by our system, because big-time change is coming for Sunday in the form of increasing wind by late Saturday night. Hutch's new forecast total, I just got my crayons out and says, this isn't working out what you had earlier. Ellendale, we'll see from Ellendale through southern parts of Cass and Clay counties and up into northern Richland County, numerous reports of 6 to 10 inches likely, 3 to 6 around that. 2 to 4 Grand Forks in northwest Minnesota. That's my latest thinking. Your planner for tomorrow, temperatures fairly steady in the 20s. Any snow chances should be wrapping up before dawn. Northwest winds get ridiculous late. And let me talk about Sunday for just a moment. Northwest winds gusting to 40 miles per hour is going to blow around all this snow. We're going to have icy roads and reduced visibilities. And oh yeah, Sunday night it's going to tug in another Arctic air mass. Air temperatures 15 to 25 below, wind chills to 50 below. And if you're traveling to southern Minnesota, Saturday night into Sunday, they have that to worry about. And we'll probably see some halos and some sundogs as we go through the weekend as that cold air pushes its way in. Sunday, temperatures falling from 10 with blustery conditions and gusty wind. After that, 18 below on Monday morning when we're all going back to work. I'm sure you'll have a lot of wonderful thoughts there, but it does get a little warmer later in the week, but there's more snow Thursday into Friday.
Are you talking to Mike or me? Or both of us?
I'm talking to everybody out there.
I can't wait for you to finally put away your crayons.
Yeah.
I'll go do that now.
Yeah, thanks. Later in